having some fun with a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus and some tilt sensors to make a game called Shakey Shakey for the Egham Raspberry Jam. The code is quite short, and what there basically is two of these tilt sensors, if I can get them into the frame, there we go, connected to the Raspberry Pi on GPIO 4 and 17, and the other end is connected to 3.3 volts as I'm using the natural pull down resistors in the Raspberry Pi so that the connections for GPIO 4 and 17 are low unless they're activated. And basically it's a small little game. So what happens is, run the program, and what you have to do is shake them alternatively between your hands to score different points. So if I shake one of them, you can probably see it here, I'll try and do it with the screen on, nothing happens. If I shake the other one on its own, where is it? There it is. Nothing happens. Only if both of them get shaken does the score change. And the idea is you have one in each hand, so you have to alternate the hands that you shake to score points. Kind of like, you know, the arm movement when you're running. And that's Shakey Shakey. Going to be used at Egham Jam this weekend.